Since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today.
Hey guys, it's Renee. I'm currently in my daughter's bedroom. This is her crib and this is her ugly floor, and she's away for the weekend and I'm very sad about that. But we do have to figure out what we're gonna do. Got to keep productive in the meantime. So I am going to start making over her bedroom, and we're gonna see if we can get some order in this, because all of this is just, my daughter doesn't really care for the tile floors. It's mainly here for safety because we have hardwood floors in the house that we're in right now. And my daughter's very clumsy. So I'm gonna try and lay down some fabric, kind of like a carpet. And then I'm gonna paint her bed, and I'm gonna do a whole bunch of things. Don't mind the sheet on the wall. We've been using it as a projection screen for her little tykes. I don't remember what this is called, but it's a projector and she loves it. So yeah, let's get started. So what we're going to need for this project is your fabric of your choosing. I chose this yellow honeycomb from my local craft store. A pair of shears to cut the fabric with, measuring tape, and of course you're going to need some thread and a sewing machine. So the room is 13 feet by 11.75 feet. So 11 3/4. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I didn't have enough, but that's okay because I'm gonna have some pretty heavy things in the room that are gonna cover it, and I also have this weird square thing in the corner that's gonna be hardwood floor because my door doesn't open all the way to her room on that side with the padding underneath, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I put the two funnels right here and I'm getting ready to sew them together, long ways together of course versus the short ways, and we should come out with somewhat of a square. It's gonna look really weird, I'm going to be honest, but hopefully with the way that I'm arranging her room we're not gonna be able to see that. So the install was a little bit difficult for me to explain, but basically I'm stretching the fabric across the floor, and on the sides of the foam I'm actually taking pins and I'm pointing them down at an angle through the foam mattress towards the floor, so there's no chance of her hurting herself or even reaching the pins. So this is the final product of her floor, and it is super soft and velvety, and I know that she's going to love running around here in her little bare feet. And yes, I am aware that the bed is no longer there. It is on the other side of the room because I do plan on making a new project where I actually build her a second story and hopefully put all of her library books and her chair up on the second story. And yes, we're gonna make it toddler safe, don't worry. But she has outgrown this space right here and has more books than we have storage at the moment, and she loves reading her books and she's only getting more books. So I decided to build her a little library, and it's gonna be so cute. Maybe this will be the cafe. And stay tuned for the next projects that I have. But if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.